All right, crew, so we're back over here at Counts. This is the 6th day working on the Wayne 505 gas pump, and today is the assemble day. So this is the first time I will be trying to assemble. I took it apart by myself, so I should be able to put it back together by myself. See if I can get the focus in it. All right, see, there we go. So I took it apart by myself, so hopefully we can put it back together. I did take a few pictures and everything, so we're gonna go ahead and try to get right into this, guys. And hopefully we can put this together. And today I'm pretty sure that, like, I got stickers and everything that need to go on, but I'm not quite sure exactly where I want to put my stickers and stuff, the vinyl stickers. So it'll probably take me more than one day, but hopefully we can get a lot assembled today. So let's go ahead, guys, and get right into this video. All right, crew, so I'm just going to show you what I'm trying to work with here. It's not as easy as just putting everything back together, because I had a lot of these small parts that I had to like clean up that was really rusty, and I just don't want to put all this rust back in there. So I'm really trying to just clean it up. I don't have a I got a portable sandblaster, but this ain't no Rick Dale restoration. This is something that I'm doing at the house. In my garage, man, and I just want to do the best job that I can possibly do. Now, if I was doing this for a customer or doing this for someone else, I would pretty much go ahead and sandblast this, but this is going to be for my own personal use, okay, for my own enjoyment. But so what I did do, I did sand this down with a DA, and then I spray painted it black. This was like chassis black. It's real heavy duty black spray paint, and I'm going to show you my other parts that I'm working on. I did do some parts yesterday, but today I'm like sanding these parts down and I'm painting them. And like I said, I want to do the best job I can do. And I just don't, and these parts are real nasty, grimy, and rusty. So I did go ahead and DA these as well. And this is what holds the gas pump. These mechanisms here. And you can see now they're slick, so they'll be ready to spray them. I'll probably just spray them like a gray color. And this is what the parts look like before I actually start sanding them down. All right, and this is what holds the doors on. So I'm taking a DA here, and I'm getting all of that rust and crud off of them, and then I just spray paint them black. Yeah, you'll never see it and stuff, but I just want to be able to, the doors to go on smooth with no issues. So right now, this is what I'm doing. I have a few more parts to do before I actually start putting everything back together. sight glass in yesterday off camera, and I tell you what, it was not an easy task to do that. So it was my first time doing it, so I got an experience at it, but it turned out pretty good. I decided to go with the premium and regular, so you can only see one side at a time, but you know, this way I can switch it up. All right, but they turned out really good, really good. So next, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling the pump. We just got the front end and to put on the back, and also we need to put the gas pump handle, and then after that, the last thing, of course, is the globe. You guys see me assemble the globe and stuff, and the last thing we will be doing is putting the globe on, and that right there will let us know that we are done with the Wayne 505 gas pump. So let's Alright, let me show you how that bottom shelf locks in place. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat design how this gas pump goes back together. So you got these butterfly hinges here. These butterfly hinges, and you go up, and then lock it in place, you push down. Alright. All right, crew, so hey, we are done with the Wayne 505 gas pump. Now, I tell you what, I am so excited to show you guys this pump here. We started at the beginning, all the way back of the spring of Carlisle swap meet. You guys was there with me when I picked it out, guys. We picked it together and everything. I tell you what, it was a fun experience, and I brought you guys along for the ride with me, and I told you guys that we was gonna do this gas pump, we was gonna restore it, and this is my first gas pump, and I'm so excited because I think it turned out amazing. And like I said, I got another one that we picked out at Carlisle, and we're gonna do that one as well. We'll probably start on that one within a week or 2 weeks, guys. But hey, you know, it's not really finished until we put the globe on top of this gas pump. So here it is there, guys. I just got through putting the vinyl sticker on it. I tell you, with that combination, the black and also that light blue with that chrome, it really does go well. And also on the sides, guys, you got that like mustard yellow, all right? And I tell you, this pump is gonna look so sweet in the garage beside Blue Ash, the 53 panel truck. But anyway, this is the globe, and you guys saw me put the globe together, and this pump is not complete until we put the final touch on it. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and let's go ahead and put this globe on, and also let's turn it on for the first time. Wow. Is that not epic, man? I tell you, this is so freaking cool. We got the 505 Wayne gas pump restored here, guys. Everything is original on this pump. We just took everything off, painted it. As you guys see, I got my retractor in there. We put the hose. I need a short. I think I'm gonna use a 6-foot hose. That's actually an 8-foot hose, so I will get me a different hose. You guys need to leave some comments down below, man. What do you guys think of this Wayne 505 Gilmore pump, man? This Gilmore gas pump. I need to tweak this a little bit. I'll turn that a little bit. It's a little crooked, but that's fine. But I tell you, I am so pleased with it. I think we did an awesome job. We took our time. Total, it took us about 7 days to do it, guys. That's with me working and you know, a day off here, a day off there, but 7 days from start to finish. As you see, just little details. We actually put the lead sign back on there. I put that on both sides. I actually had a handle, but I got a aftermarket handle, and I still got the original Wayne plate, which I'm going to keep, but I went and got a new one and had it engraved. We used the original glass. I just cleaned it up really good. It's original chrome aluminum pieces. Man, I'm just so excited, guys. Hey, so that's going to be it for this video. Catch me out, guys, in a couple of weeks when we're gonna do another gas pump. I'm not quite sure which one I do first. I still have a Hancock, and I have an Esso as well, so as far as the globe. So I'm not sure what thing we're gonna go with, but hey, stay tuned for that. And don't forget to like and share, guys. And if you really like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. So, hey, like I tell everyone, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.